Welcome to the highly anticipated 2023 Tesla Investors Day, where CEO Elon Musk is set to unveil the latest developments in the company's cutting-edge technology. Today's presentation promises to be one of the most exciting yet, as Musk takes the stage to reveal the latest iteration of the Optimus Robot, a humanoid machine that is poised to revolutionize the way we think about artificial intelligence and automation. Tesla's previous AI Day in September 2022 gave us a tantalizing glimpse of the potential of the Optimus Robot, with Musk teasing the audience with footage of a prototype that was capable of basic movements and tasks. Now, just 6 months later, the world is abuzz with speculation about what the new and improved Optimus will be capable of. According to Musk, the Optimus Robot has undergone significant upgrades since its initial debut. The new version is capable of walking with ease, picking up and carrying objects, and performing a wide range of basic tasks. Moreover, the robot has been designed to operate autonomously, without the need for constant programming or human intervention. The potential applications of the Optimus Robot are staggering. From industrial use to personal assistance, the robot has the potential to transform the way we live and work. Musk has even hinted at the possibility that one day, the ratio of AI-powered humanoid robots to humans could be greater than 1-to-1, which would represent a major shift in the way we think about automation and technology. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to witness the unveiling of the latest technological marvel from Tesla. The future is here, and it looks like a sleek, efficient, and endlessly adaptable humanoid robot. During Tesla's Investor Day in 2023, Elon Musk demonstrated the latest advancements in the development of the Optimus humanoid robot. The robot can now walk, manipulate objects by picking them up and carrying them, and complete simple tasks. Tesla first unveiled the Optimus Robot at their AI Day event in September, and it has since undergone significant improvements. The scene opens with a video playing on a large screen at an event hosted by Tesla. In the video, attendees can see the latest iteration of the Optimus Robot that Elon Musk has been talking about. The humanoid robot is shown walking and performing various maintenance tasks on other robots, impressing the audience with its advanced capabilities. As the video comes to an end, the lights in the room come up, and Elon Musk steps onto the stage to thunderous applause. He is clearly excited to talk about the Optimus Robot and its future potential. He begins by thanking everyone for coming and then dives right into the topic at hand. Musk starts by discussing the current state of robotics and how far we've come in terms of AI and machine learning. He notes that the humanoid robot, like the Optimus, is the next step in the evolution of robotics, as it is designed to operate in environments that require more mobility and dexterity than traditional industrial robots. Musk then drops a bombshell on the audience, saying that the ratio of AI-powered humanoid robots to humans could one day be greater than 1-to-1. The crowd gasps in amazement, trying to wrap their heads around what such a ratio would mean for the world. Musk goes on to explain that as robotics technology continues to advance, we will see more and more applications for humanoid robots. He envisions a future where robots will be able to perform a wide range of tasks, from cleaning and maintenance to manufacturing and construction. He then makes a bold prediction that one day Tesla's robot business could be greater than its automotive business. The crowd murmurs in disbelief, but Musk seems confident in his vision for the future of robotics. As Musk continues his presentation, attendees can see more footage of the Optimus Robot in action. The robot is shown performing a wide range of tasks, including cleaning, painting, and even playing instruments. Musk explains that the robot's AI algorithms allow it to learn and adapt to new tasks quickly, making it a valuable asset in a wide range of industries. The presentation ends with Musk taking questions from the audience. Attendees are eager to learn more about the Optimus Robot and its potential applications. Musk fields questions with ease, explaining the technical details of the robot's design and operation. As the event comes to a close, attendees leave the room buzzing with excitement. They have just witnessed a glimpse into the future of robotics, and it is clear that Tesla and Elon Musk are at the forefront of this technological revolution. Tesla is the most advanced in real-world AI, said Musk. I don't think there's anyone even close to Tesla on solving real-world AI. Musk emphasizes the importance of creating AI that is capable of operating autonomously and solving tasks without constant programming. He notes that simply having a humanoid robot that can perform basic tasks is not enough. The robot must be able to operate independently and adapt to new situations. It's not that helpful to have a humanoid robot if you have to program every action, Musk explains. It needs to be able to walk around autonomously and solve tasks. You should be able to instruct it in simple things by showing visually what the robot needs to do or just telling it what to do. That's the key advantage that we have. Musk goes on to discuss the potential applications for humanoid robots, including both home and industrial use. He notes that while the timing may not be right for widespread adoption just yet, he envisions a future where the ratio of humanoid robots to humans could exceed 1:1. You can see a home use for robots, certainly industrial uses for humanoid robots. It's just a question of timing, Musk says. I think we might exceed a 1:1 ratio of humanoid robots to humans. Throughout his presentation, Musk highlights the technical advancements that have allowed Tesla to make such progress in the field of AI and robotics. He emphasizes the importance of creating technology that is not only advanced, but also accessible and easy to use. As Musk concludes his presentation, the audience is left with a sense of awe at the possibilities that lie ahead. It's clear that Tesla is at the forefront of AI and robotics, and with Musk's visionary leadership, the future looks bright for these emerging technologies. Cut to the stage where Elon Musk strides out to thunderous applause. He takes his place at the podium and begins his presentation, which focuses on Tesla's latest innovation, the Optimus Robot. As Musk begins to describe the robot's features and capabilities, the camera cuts to footage of Optimus in action. Viewers are treated to the sight of the sleek, humanoid robot walking confidently across a stage, bending down to pick up an object and carrying it with ease. Musk's presentation is accompanied by graphics and visuals that explain the complex artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning, or ML, that power the robot's movements and decision-making processes. The audience is transfixed as Musk discusses the potential applications of Optimus, from industrial use to personal assistance. As the presentation draws to a close, Musk unveils a pre-recorded video that showcases several Optimus robots performing various maintenance tasks on each other. The camera lingers on the robot's smooth, fluid movements, which are testament to Tesla's commitment to precision engineering and design. Mr. Musk confirmed that the company, which operates factories in the US, China, and Germany, plans to build a new manufacturing plant near the northern Mexican industrial hub of Monterrey. We will continue to expand production at all of our existing factories, he added. Top of mind for Wall Street has been how and when Tesla may roll out a new, less expensive passenger car that would extend the company's reach into the mass market. Today, the least expensive Tesla available in the US is priced above $40,000. Mr. Musk outlined plans more than 2 years ago to produce a $25,000 car, but he's since played down that ambition. Tesla shares have rebounded around 65% in 2023, after a punishing 2022, as the company has demonstrated an ability to stoke demand by flexing some of its financial muscle. Tesla slashed vehicle prices in January, some by nearly 20% in the US, in the face of higher interest rates and economic uncertainty. It has since nudged some prices back up. Those price changes have pressured rivals, some of which have responded by offering their own discounts or price cuts. Finally, Musk announces that Tesla's next gigafactory will be located in Mexico, with the goal of developing sustainable energy solutions for the planet. This news is met with enthusiastic applause from the audience. That's it for today's exciting presentation from Tesla's Investor Day 2023. We hope you enjoyed the unveiling of the Optimus Robot and the many other exciting announcements from the company. From the new Gigafactory in Mexico to the potential for a future where AI-powered robots outnumber humans, it's clear that Tesla is at the forefront of innovation in the technology industry. We can only imagine the incredible things that will be possible in the years to come as the company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. We'd like to thank you for joining us today and for being part of this exciting moment in history. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest advancements in technology and innovation. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve.